traders, and in this video I want to talk about how ByBit sub account works. Hero Trader is different if comparing with other crypto prop trading firms. First of all, because Hero Trader can trade with a real capital on a ByBit sub account. What it means for the Hero Trader company, that means that if the trader makes money, then the company also earns. Unfortunately, most prop trading firms, they offer simulated accounts for traders to trade, which is not good if we are talking about long-term partnership. Now I will show you how ByBit environment looks. Most of Hero Traders trade USDT perpetual contracts. Here you can open your USDT position. You can choose from more than 100 the most popular crypto pairs, but you can also trade on spot, or you can trade USDC contracts or USDC options. Here you can see your trades history, and here you can see your trading performance. On ByBit sub account, you can also automate your trading and use API. Just create API key and set up your own trading bot. ByBit sub account is solution for our best traders. You can access funded ByBit sub account after you will accomplish trading challenge, verification, and first 3 payouts on demo account. In some cases, it is possible to receive the sub account faster than having 3 payouts on demo account, but mostly it is necessary to have the first 3 payouts on demo account and then receive the sub account. If you have any questions regarding how ByBit sub account works, then feel free to contact us on our email or join our Discord community, and you can ask us there. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.